Hey everybody, welcome to Me and My Mirror. I'm here today to talk about glowing up because I don't know where you live, but I live in the Midwest. It's freezing, there's no sun, I'm pale as a ghost, and I'm pretty miserable. So I thought maybe if I just gave myself a little glow in my skin without using heavy tanning creams and that kind of stuff. So I went ahead and took my contour pencil and I did a basic contour. Now I'm not doing a fancy schmancy contour, just the basics. This is more about brightening your skin and your face and less about defining and dimensions and all those things. I have one of these little finger puffs that I like to use sometimes for this. So obviously, you know what you're gonna do. Wish I could speed this up. I just don't know how to do all those things. I need a mentor. Anybody lives in the Midwest wants to come over and tutor me. Okay, how's that looking? Boils and goils. Not too shitty. It's really hard for me to see in the phone if I'm getting everything rubbed in. Anyway, we got the jiggling gels down there, just like the turkey waddle. Okay, you're gonna blend that as well as you want to blend it. You may want to blend it more. I don't think you want to sit here watching me blend for days. I have two other products. I'm trying to decide which one to use. One of them is Glow Drops Luminous Cheek Bronzer Concentrated Formula from Temu. This is what it looks like. It comes out in very thick drops, so it sticks right on your skin. It's very, very pigmented and very dark. Next, we have, I don't even know what that says, from Temu. You know it, you know what I was gonna say. Anyway, I love the packaging. I love the way it looks in the bottle. It's a much lighter color. It's a little bit more liquidy. So I'm gonna say it depends on your skin tone. If you've got darker, you're gonna want to use the darker drops. And if you've got lighter, I would go with the lighter. So since I'm lighter, I'm going to put some of these right above my cheekbone, above my cheekbone. I'm gonna put a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. Glow, glow, glow. You glow, girl. I just made that up. And then I'm gonna use my fingers and I'm just gonna swirl it around. Spread it nice and easy so you get just a little bit in lots of different places. Now we are glowing like we've been to Hawaii. Except when I don't have a hangover. Damn. So we're getting a little bit warmer, bronzier. The last part, well, I wouldn't say the last part. I think you should probably find a highlighter. I have this little white highlighter stick, silkworm pen, and eyeshadow, it says. So let's act like the sun is out and it's catching you right there, kind of up where I put the golden drops and dewy drops. And then you might put it up here. But you know, we're not doing a full face. We're just getting a tan. Looking lighter and brighter and happy. And just to show you what this other product, if you wanted to get this one off Temu, Handaiyan. Can you read backwards? I'll just show you right here. It's got some pigment. So if you're gonna use that, go sparingly. No, you can always take it off. I mean, you could always add more. That's what I meant. The fun part, to me anyway, of makeup is eyeshadow. Now, I got one palette that I bought myself for Christmas from Temu, and then a friend got me a palette for Christmas, and I don't know where it's from. Go To Beauty Cocoa, it says. So I thought it was going to be all brown, but it's not. Look at those yummy colors, and what a variety. So what do you think when you think glow up? You could go with the obvious gold. Oh, you could try something like this rose. I'm going to put it on my finger. I'm not going to do any crease cutting or tight lining or anything. Now, if you guys are sitting here thinking, but hey, me and my mirror, I don't have bronzer. I don't have any glow up drops. I don't have any of that shimmery stuff. What could you do? Think on your feet. I would go right to my eyeshadow palettes and I would pull them out and I would find the one that looks the most glowy. In this case, this beautiful golden yellow. Oh, look at that. Oh, I mean, just little drops here and there. You can even mix it with a little bit of moisturizer if you want it more liquid. So you can use stuff like that. You don't have to have something with the word bronzer on it or glow drops or anything. Just be creative. And I'm not going to use this one. I'm just teasing you with it. This is the one I got on Temu. And I loved it. So what are we forgetting? I'm not going to do mascara and all that stuff. But when you're glowing up, you've got to have some blown up lips. And you guys know me. In the winter time, and maybe you don't know me. Actually, you probably don't know me at all because you've never asked me any questions or anything. That's okay. We'll get personal here in a few months when you guys start to like and comment and subscribe down below. Or especially, please, a comment of what you'd like to see. What your concerns are. My concern right now is dry lips, and I did a dry lip video, and now I need to do it on myself, so we're not going to worry too much about that. I am just going to use this little bottle of Beautiness again on my lips. Now, if you're all weird about germs, you can use a Q-tip. I am not. Now that is a very light, you know, I have fair skin, so it's a very light color. So I might say, hey, it's an awful light color. What can I do? I can pull out my darker color. Put a little on my finger, I mean a little. And suddenly, I look like I'm a statue made of gold. Might be a little too much for some of you, but I kind of like it. I feel like I just got back from somewhere tropical. Well, let's go. Anybody want to send me a ticket? I'm all for it. I love to travel. Anyway, I'll see you next time on Me and My Mirror. Bye.